Happy Friday, everybody. So I'm Daniel. My brand is After Hours Fun. And with my brand, I sell t-shirts, I sell enamel pins, art prints. I sell a couple things. I keep it tight. I don't sell too many things, mainly stick to art prints, apparel, stickers, and pins. Now, today's journey, we're going to go to Bellflower, California. And what I'm going to do is go manage a screen print for my next t-shirt drop. So without further ado, let's get on the road and let's go check that out. Oh, yeah. No, I'm not going to start off like that. What's up, everybody? So we're here at the screen print shop. Let's go take a look at that shirt design that I promised I'd show you. It's a sneak peek, and we're going into this warehouse down here. All right, 1 second, gotta get it. Okay, I'm ready. All right, so we are back, and I'm here to share with you the t-shirt. So this is the Dead Don't Sleep drop that's gonna happen in June. Hopefully you can see that pretty clear, but I'll post some pictures up on my social media. I'm mainly active on Instagram, so if you wanna follow me on Instagram, that'll be cool. Anyway, so I wanted to share with you the finished product and kind of discuss a little bit on the print technique that I used. So I used a technique called discharge screen printing. So discharge screen printing, it's a type of additive that's added to the pigment. So if you take pure pigment, say it's instance there's like an orange pigment, and you add the discharge additive to it, once you screen print it onto the shirt and you run it through the dryer, that dryer heats up and it reacts to liquid, and then it causes it to bleach to the fabric, and therefore what you get is essentially it's almost like bleached ink into the shirt, but you end up with like the most softest. I mean, if I could just like feel how soft this is so soft. I mean, this is soft. All right, so that's the kind of printing that I do, is discharge ink. And this video, it's mainly a show and tell, just to kind of let you in on my behind the scenes. So it's more like a vlog behind the scenes, but actually I'm new to YouTube, so if there's anything that you wanted to see, let me know in the comments below, and I can put that video together for you, whether it's drawing, figure drawing, graphic design. I could do screen printing. Let me know in the comment below. Give me a like. Let's send this video. Let's get it up there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.